we are back once again with the fiber gifts, and we've got week number 3 this time. So, as usual, we will check out what I have in my secret box. Ta-da! These guys are so cute! So here's one, here's another one. Is this the kitty cat one? Yeah, it's the kitty cat one. I'm very weak for cats, so. These are the Mary Muggs felt ornament kits. And it's a little bit of embroidery, it's a little bit of applique, it's a little bit of sewing. So you get all the felt that you need, you get all of the embroidery thread that you need, and then the little hangy guys as well. And all the patterns and all that jazz in here. The only thing that you will need to have when you get these is a sewing needle and sewing thread of some kind if you want to sew them. Or if you want to glue them on, you can glue them on as well. But it's in the spirit of the thing to sew them, so why not? But these little guys are going to go on sale October 30th, and they will be on sale for a week, just like everything else, and 20% off, which is nice. So, yeah. And the cool thing, bring back the kitties. So, the cool thing about these is, number one, you can hang them on your tree. They're ornaments, obviously, but they also have a pocket on the inside, so you can put things in them. You can put candy canes or gift cards or whatever you want, and then you can hang it on the tree, and then let people find them, or give them away, or just be decorative. So, yeah, grab them, enjoy them.